Hello, and in this video I will show you how to better control your multi-depth level demolitions using this safe frame value. I have 3 objects, and all of these objects have the same property except that for this first one safe frame is 0, for second one safe frame is 5, and for the last one safe frame is 20. And what it means that when object hit collide with something, let me start range simulation. So as you can see, this object has safe frame 0, and even though its fragments amount is set to 8, it just goes through all primary and both levels of secondary demolitions just in one frame. At the very first hit, it just goes through all these demolitions. First it creates primary demolition, then at the same frame, at the same moment, it creates secondary demolition for every primary fragment, and then for every fragment from the secondary depth layer 1 demolition, it creates fragments for depth layer 2 fragments. So a lot of fragments, a lot of fragments word I used right now. And in this case, as you can see, it looks pretty the same, but let me stop simulation and play back it. As you can see, since in this case we had safe frames 5, first it was demolished to these primary fragments, and then after this demolition happened, since we have 5 safe frames, we can be sure that none of these fragments will be demolished during the next 5 frames after they were created. So since they created at frames 80, it means that until frames 33, it will be impossible to demolish them. No matter what will happen, they will not be demolished. And only after that, if collision force will be high enough, it will be possible to demolish them further, and this is when it happens, only here. And again, when happen this demolition, all these fragments will be safe. It will not be possible to demolish them during these 5 frames again. So this is one of the way to control your demolitions. If you want to get a lot of fragments right away, just set it to 0 or to 1, maybe 2 frames. If you want them to get first demolition layer, then you want some fragments to crumble, to hit the other object, and only that, demolish them further, just increase the safe frames. And in this case, as you can see, we set here 20 frames, and thanks to this, the subject was not demolished at the first hit. Only here it was demolished to primary fragments, and then after this moment at the frame 44. So again, you can be sure that until frame 64, none of these fragments will be possible to demolish again. So you can see no demolition for now, and this is where next demolition happened here, only at frame 65. You can see this, they start demolition again, and well, you can in this way you can get much less fragments than if you will use safe frame 0, like in this case. Okay, this is the first way to control your demolitions. Thank you for watching.